All right, Christian Rivera here at Classic Cars of Palm Beach. We are doing a walk around video on this 2003 Chevrolet SSR. This thing's a real beauty. Hey, we're gonna go around this to point out any flaws whatsoever so that there's no surprises for any of our out-of-town buyers. We're gonna start right here with the front bumper. Front bumper is in fantastic condition. Grill's in really good shape. The honeycomb part of the grill's in good shape. The headlights are incredibly clear. Chevy emblems, all that looks great. Second headlight looks real good. Hood looks fantastic. No major scratches, dents, or dings. Really hardly any chips also. Front fender looks fantastic. No scratches, dents, or dings. Front rim looks fantastic. No curb rash. I'm going to call the tires at about 60%. Side view mirror looks good. Driver's side as a whole looks good. No major scratches, dents, or dings. Running board looks real good. Rear quarter panel looks great. Rear wheel, no curb rash. Rear tires brand new. Rear bumper looks fantastic. Tail lights look real good. Inside looks fantastic. Got a front plate mount if you happen to need one where you're located. Oop. The paint on this is really nice. Rear quarter panel looks great. No curb rash on the passenger side rear wheel. Passenger side looks great also. This looks like it's just a little dirt, no big deal. Side view mirror looks great, front fender looks great. Little tiny touched up scuff right here. Glass looks really good. No chips, no stars, no bursts, no cracks. Roof looks real good. Let's see what it looks like with the top down. Driver door looks really good. A little bit of separation right here, but it's in great condition. Handles look great. Driver's seat looks really good. No major wear. Looks like a nice low mileage vehicle should. This all looks incredible. Roof looks really good. There is no smoke smell. There is no mold or mildew smell. No pet or dander smell. Starts right up. Buttons look fantastic. There's no check engine lights on, no warning lights on. Let's take a look at the top area. It's got the wind jammer right there. This is all in great shape here as well. Really good condition car. No smoke smell, no mold or mildew, no pet or dander smell. Let's take a quick look under the hood. This does have a brand new fuel pump that was just put in as well. Super quiet motor. No oil leaks. Really nice. There we are. Somebody's gonna get a nice SSR, that's for sure.